What is up, guys? This is Game Boy 14, and today I got an unboxing for you guys. It is the Razer Anansi, I think that's how you pronounce it, gaming keyboard. I picked this up at Best Buy today. It says designed for MMO gaming. Yeah, there's that there. There's the actual keyboard on the box right there. It's a pretty nice box. You got the actual keyboard right there. It says Razer Anansi in the corner, MMO gaming keyboard, and the side it says designed for MMO gaming. Right here it tells you the MMO modifying keys, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, and T7. 100 programmable keys, plus 100 touch programs. 5 additional gaming keys. Now that's cool right there. So it's pretty much M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5. But that side, you got the Razer logo on the side. On the back it says Razer Anansi again. Optimized key matrix, easy access media keys, on the fly profile switch, gaming mode options. That's the actual keyboard again. 5 additional gaming micro keys, 7 thumbs modifier keys, 16 million blacklight eliminations, over 100 programmable hyper response keys. Right here it tells you the 7 MMO thumb modifier keys, 100 programmable keys, 5 additional gaming macro keys right there. That's cool there. It says for gamers by gamers. So that's there. Right there it just shows you the mouse, the Razer Zaga, powered by Razer technology, compatible with Windows 7 and all that system compatibility. That's pretty much it there. I'm pretty sure it's compatible with Windows 8, but you know, this product wasn't out when Windows 8 came out, so that's why it doesn't say on there, but I'm pretty sure it's compatible with Windows 8. Again, this is Razer Anansi MMO gaming keyboard. You got a picture of the keyboard again. Right here it says multi-light color lighting, 100 Hertz ultra boiling, on the fly, black light elimination, gaming keys, and modify your thumb keys. And then you got the Razer logo in it again. There's the keyboard again on there. On this side it says Razer Anansi MMO gaming keyboard, and it says under the category Expert. Elite is the mechanical one, the Widow Ultimate, and pretty much the Essential is just the Razer Death Stalker, Streaker Stalker, something like that. But that's that there. Same thing on the other side. Says the same thing. So yeah, let's cut the tape and open this up. Alright, I took off the tape. Now let's open this up. Put it up like that. It's green so far. Everything's green right there. Everything's good. Let me get this out. So once you get it out, everything is just green inside, so that's pretty cool there. There's another box. It just says for gamers by gamers, and then you got the Razer logo right there. This pretty much just pull back and open up like that. There's the actual keyboard. Alright, so there's the actual keyboard. Now let me take this out. Alright, so when you take off the keyboard, you got a nice little package at the bottom. Nice little package here. It says open. It says for gamers by gamers, Razer Zone. Let's open this up. Okay, so the first thing when you open it up, it's just congratulations, no turning back. You know, just Razer saying thank you for buying this product. You got the quick start guide. You got some Razer stickers, pretty cool. Not sure, it's something about Australian, and a different language quick start guide. So that's that there. So when you take it out of the packaging, here's the actual keyboard itself. It feels very nice, very nice. So this has like eliminated keys. Should Should glow. It's pretty cool. You got a nice like thread USB. There's two USBs, not sure why. I'm pretty sure one's like for, I think one is for like, one powers on the LEDs, and there's so many LEDs they probably need a separate USB to power all the LEDs, and one's just for the keyboard. Here's the actual gaming keyboard keys that I was talking about, and then the extra MMO. I think these are the MMO keys. So yeah, this keyboard feels very nice. I was gonna get the Black Widow Ultimate, but that was 140, and this one a price match for 80 bucks. So that was a good deal on this one. So that's the keyboard right there. Pretty much the unboxing of the Razer Anansi keyboard. This is Game Boy 04 signing out. Peace. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And so far maybe I'll show you a review and compare it to my old keyboard, which is just a regular keyboard, nothing gaming related. But yeah, this is Game Boy 04 signing out. Peace. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Later.